Rule of 72 is an easy and effective calculation trick often used in finance. It helps you to find out how many years it takes to double your investment. To appreciate how simple it is, first let us take two examples of how return on investment calculation is done in the usual manner. If we have a return of 10% compound interest for $100 invested, then according to the usual formula, we will find out that it takes 7.27 years to double your investment. Now, if you have another investment option that returns 12%, definitely we know that we can double our money in a shorter time period. And as per calculation, it appears to double in 6 years. The correct formula that links rate of return and invested amount is shown on the screen. And as you can see, it requires a calculator to find out the result. Now let's see how we can use rule of 72 to simplify our calculation. The rule says that if we divide 72 by the rate of return, then we would get to know approximately in how many years our investment will double. Let us verify this for the 10% and 12% returns we previously considered. For 10%, the rule says it will take 7.2 and for 12% it takes 6 years, which is close enough to the accurate calculation of 7.27 and 6.1. Another beautiful thing about this formula is that you can swap rate of return and the years depending on what you want to find out. On the left side, you can see that by entering return percentage 6, I find that I need 12 years to double the investment. On the right, I enter 4 years as the time in which I want to double the investment. Then the rule says I need to make 18% returns every year. A mistake people normally do while using this formula is not to consider inflation. If the inflation is around 9%, then according to this formula, we can predict that the purchasing power of the money would be reduced to half in 8 years' time. So the correct formula to use is subtract your return by inflation, that will give you the real return. And for a real return of 3% for $100 invested, it will take a long time to actually double the worth of the money, which is around 24 years. If you need more information or some free resources, please check the link on my profile. And also please suggest on what topics you would like to see more videos. Or if you have any personal requirement of making animation like these, then please get in touch with me with the email ID mentioned on the page. Please consider sharing this video with your friends. Thank you.